how you deliver that, again, I ask this question all the time too. I say, well, is it a send along or is it a presentation? Because if it's a send along, it's designed for reading. If they say, hey, send me your deck, which I hate when people do that, but sometimes you can't get the meeting and they just say, send it to me, right? So that way, then the deck has to have more content. You can't just give them a slide that just says, you know, we grew, right? It has to have the text in there. So a lot of the design stuff I'm going to talk about today, I'll allow for more text when I'm designing a send along deck because they have to read it. The other way you could do it, and I'll get to this towards the end, is you could actually use a presentation deck and record yourself in Loom narrating the deck in 3 minutes, very, very concise. And that way, then you control the flow. It would be like if you said, hey, did you hear the new Beyonce album or something? And I sent you the sheet music for it, right? I'm like, well, you have to play it yourself. You get a keyboard out and you can play the Beyonce album, the whole thing, right? It's not the same thing. You are Beyonce. You are the one that's designed for talking, less details and text, and requires a presenter. It's not sheet music.